Hi guys, we are playing Meowdoku and this is level 54. Let's start. Alright. Okay, we need 9 cats to collect. So far we have 2.
Nice! Great!
Okay, maybe there. So far
Perfect.
it's easy. Maybe there. Alright, there. No. Here, alright. Here.
Nice! Great!
Okay. Here.